MPW stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Like, generally speaking, there's like a lot of like misconception about the direction with MPW and whatever. This is very subjective, but like generally speaking, I've done 35,000 videos and spent thousands on courses, mentors, documented everything, and I've gotten, I think, the most wins on YouTube ever, like recorded, documented. And MPW, like in this niche, you know, ticker symbols like this, I've already gotten the first break, and the only thing that I really care about right now is the second break. Ultimately, that's all it's going to come back down to. I've been waiting for this thing for quite a while, but now it starts to become really interesting because we're getting closer and closer and closer. And if I see a daily full hour candle close above it, then the swing about to begin. So I'm really curious if I have anything MPW related before. Sure, I did, but like I just didn't record it there. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.